welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be telling you about human heart. So some concepts which will be covered are some facts, explanation, summary, some questions and other vital organs. So let us see some basic facts about human heart. Our heart size is equal to the size of our fist. This you can see in this photo too. See here, the size of this heart and size of this fist are almost equal. Newborn babies have the fastest heartbeats. Our heart is located in the middle of the chest. Our heart beats around 1 lakh times a day. There are 60,000 miles of blood vessels in our body. So let us see this heart diagram carefully. Aorta, the biggest artery. Vena cava, the biggest vein. The upper part of vena cava is superior vena cava and lower part is inferior vena cava. Then the four chambers, the right atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. So first learn about chambers. See here, the smaller one are the atriums and larger one are the ventricles. So what are atriums? Atrium is a Latin word which means entry hall. So from this you can analyze that atrium must be getting or receiving blood from somewhere. Yes, of course, it receives blood from lungs and from vena cava. It receives both oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. All the animals with closed circulatory system have at least one atrium. Humans have two atriums which are left and right atrium. So let us see the difference between both of them. The left atrium transports the blood from heart to other body parts, whereas the right atrium transfers the blood from all over the body to lungs, the deoxygenated blood. So let us see the ventricles. Ventricles are the larger chambers. They are towards the bottom side and they collect and expel blood received from atriums. They also receive both oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. So the difference between left and right ventricle. Left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood from the lungs out to the body, whereas the right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood from the body to the lungs. So let us see now the working of the heart, which is the main concept. It is very boring to learn like this. So let me explain you through this model which is prepared by me. So see here, the biggest artery known as aorta and the small arteries coming out of it known as aortic arch. Then the four chambers, right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Now let me explain you the concept of pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Actually in heart, the pulmonary artery is a vein and pulmonary vein is the artery. So what happens in the working, that the blood from lungs is received by pulmonary vein, and from pulmonary vein it gets transferred to left atrium, from left atrium to left ventricle, and from left ventricle it goes to aorta. Then the aortic arcs transfer all the oxygenated blood throughout the body. Then the veins present in the body collect all the deoxygenated blood and transfers it to the vena cava, which is the largest vein. See, here is the vena cava. From the vena cava, it gets all the deoxygenated blood is passed to right atrium, then to right ventricle. Then from the right ventricle, the blood reaches the lungs through pulmonary artery, as I told you, which is a vein. Here is it. So it goes to the lungs. Then from the lungs, it expels, the deoxygenated blood expels all the carbon dioxide and other gases and gets rich in oxygen. And again that oxygenated blood is carried through this heart to other body parts. So this cycle keeps on going. So here is the theoretical form of this. You can learn it for your answers. So this is a very complex cycle of working, but I am explaining it in a very brief and easy way. So now let us see through this video also. See here, it is shown that the first step in this is oxygen poor blood flows from body into the right atrium, from here, then to the right ventricle, then goes to the lungs, and same way it comes to right to left atrium, left ventricle, and goes to the body. So let us see why people get heart attack. The reason is blockage of coronary veins and coronary arteries. Now what are coronary veins and arteries? You may have noticed on this small veins, small arteries. These are known as coronary arteries and veins. They are very thin that if the protein gets embedded or gets stored in these, they just blast out due to the pressure of blood. As you know that blood flows with a great pressure in our body. So if they blast out, a person gets a heart attack. So this is the main reason of heart attack. Now let us look at some other vital organs, which are lungs, liver, brain, spinal cord, and kidneys. You can see in this video too. See now, let us see towards the summary. So what can be the summary of this video? That our body is a complex structure, so we should take care of it, as we don't get a body again and again, right? Heart is one of the vital organs of our body. We should have a proper and nourished diet. We should always stay happy. So some questions which could be made from this video are: explain the working of heart. Why do people get a heart attack? Explain the 4 main chambers of the heart. So this was all about my video. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment my channel. Thank you so much.